Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can join multiple videos together using Media3 transformer in Flutter Android. Firstly, I will show you how you can join multiple videos which are located on a server. So as you can see in the output in the code, I have two videos. So both of these videos are located on someone's server, Google's server. You can put any video URL you want. I have just taken two video URL because I want to keep the output short, but if you want you can take hundreds of this video URL, but make sure you will have to wait for that much amount of time. So first what I'll do is I'll just open the logcat because I want to show you guys some log as well. I'll just delete this. Okay, now I will click on this play video button which you see. Ignore the first button. Now what this will do is that it will show the progress of how much the joining or merging of two videos has taken place. The first value which you see 2 is the actual progress state, and the second value which you see 14, 17, 19 and 21 is the actual progress of how much the conversion or how much the joining of two videos have come together. But here you can see so the two videos have been joined. So this is the output. So yeah, anyways, let the video play. But here you can see at the very end the progress doesn't reach till 100. It's because of few reasons. Firstly, the videos are very short, and secondly the progress state goes back to 0. So that's how you can know that the joining or merging of two videos have been finished. Now this is the second video which is playing. Also we have, so I'll just pause the video. So also we have two callbacks, on completed and on error. With the help of that also you can know that okay, these two video, like this multiple videos have finished joining. One more thing which I want you guys to be careful about is use HTTPS. Don't use HTTP. If you use HTTP, then you have to use this uses clear text traffic inside your Android manifest as well, so be careful with that. Now I have shown it for videos which are stored on network URL. What I'll do is that I'll just comment this out. I will rerun my application again. Okay, if you want you can just do Flutter run, because I'm running via Android Studio as I wanted to show you guys the log, that's why. But yeah, use Flutter run also, that's fine as well. Now once our application, also once the two videos has been merged, they are saved to external storage as well, so don't worry about that as well. Okay, so here is so I have run my application again. Hopefully it should be available. So here now I will click on the first button, so it will open the video picker for us. So here you can see the first video, this is the output of the last demo. Now I will select the 1 minute video, which is the third video. Okay, nothing happens. Again I will click on open video picker without permission. I'll select the second video, which is 15 seconds long video, so the output should be around 1 minute 15 seconds. Now I will click on play video, which will actually merge the video and it will start playing it as well. So yeah, so let's be patient, let it do its job. Again inside logcat you can see all the progress. So firstly once the output is ready, I'll just show it to you. So here is our Flutter application which I have created. So I have just refactored the main.dart is in main.dart file, so homepage widget. Okay, so this is our homepage widget, rest everything remains the same. So it is a stateful widget. Here inside video URL you can mix and match, like you can have some URLs from network and some URLs of your local device as well. So yeah, choose whatever you feel like if you want, and comment this out as well. Then here I have created our method channel video picker platform. Here I have created this merge video boolean, which I will show you shortly, and this is our text button. So once we pick a video, okay, so the output is ready. I'll just show you the output. I'll pause the video. Here you can see the video is 1 minute 15 seconds long. Also if I click on open video picker without there is one more video been saved, which is the current output. Okay, now coming back to our code. So on click of the first button we are just picking videos from our local device and adding it to our video URL variable. Okay, and for the second button I'm just changing the state so that we can display this my video view, which is a native Android view I have created for my Flutter app. So again I have just created this my video view.dart file. Again, it is a stateful widget which takes a video URL, list of video strings as a video URL. And I am also created this key because every time we update our URL, we want the widget to be updated. That's why I'm using this particular line of codes as well. And with the help of creation param, we'll send those list back to Android side. And here I'm just checking if platform is Android, then only display an Android view. So this identifier is important because we will be using this on Android side as well. For rest of the platform, I'm just displaying a placeholder. Now the important thing is you will have to open this Android folder inside Android Studio. I have already done that. So the first thing is you will have to open Android manifest.xml and you will have to add this internet permission. And for older Android devices, we require the read write external storage permission as well for saving the video. We don't require it on real Android on new Android devices, sorry. And next you will have to go to settings.gradle and update the Kotlin version to 1.9.20. then go to build.gradle over here, sorry, not this one, this one. And here you will have to add all these dependencies. So these are like Media3 transformer as well as exoplayer dependency. Just add those and then just click on sync now. It will download all the dependencies for you. Then you will have to go to main activity. At the top, these are all the imports. I have changed it to Flutter fragment activity. This will method channel results will send the data back to Flutter side, the URL of the picked video. And for older Android devices, read write external storage permission. So once we request the permission, if the user has not granted the permission, I just display a toast message. Otherwise we just launch our picker. Again, for video picking we don't require permission. It is for saving the final output. So as you can see, we are picking by videos only. Once we have the URI, we send it back to Flutter side and we are overriding this method. So here firstly we are registering our view. So I'm using the same identifier. Then I have created a method channel called video picker platform. Once I have this particular method pick video without permission, then I just call this launch new video picker. Then here also I'm using this request permission launcher.launch required permissions. Okay, and then I have created this my video view factory Kotlin file. This is boilerplate code you have to write every time you want to embed a native Android view inside your Flutter project. Then I have created this my video view file as well. So if you see this references my video view, so I have created that Kotlin file as well. Again, these are all the imports. There are a lot of imports, so you can pause the video if you want to. There are some dead imports as well which we really don't need. Okay, we are marking it as unstable because at the time of me recording this, Media3 APIs are still a bit unstable. Then we are extending transformer.listener as well as lifecycle owner. Transformer.listener will give us two callback, on completed and on error once the conversion has or the joining or merging of videos have been finished, and lifecycle owner because we want to use Kotlin coroutines. Because of that we have to write this boilerplate code. Then I have created our handler as well as progress holder. Then I have created linear layout. I have created one exo player, one player view and progress bar as well. This is our file name, playback position 0, play when ready is true. This is our transformer, this is file path, and here is our video URL which we get from Flutter side. Here is the edited media list item which we need. Then I have set some layout params for our linear layout. This is how we display the input player view, which is invisible by default, which will play the output video. Then this is our progress bar, and once we get the video URL from Flutter side, we just cast it as list string. Then we just add all that data to video URL. Then we call setup transformer, and inside init input player we just initialize our input player. Okay, and then start playing the output video. This is for releasing our player. We override these two methods, and here we return linear layout, and here we release our player. Here we call setup transformer, so inside that we call transform video. So we display our progress bar, initialize our transformer, we loop through our video URL and add this edited media item dot builder to our edited media item list. Then we create an edited media item sequence. Then we create a composition builder, pass our media item sequence. Here we create our external file. Here we start our transformation. So, and here we track the actual progress state as well as the actual progress. Here you can see I have added 500 milliseconds delay. Now this is the code for creating external file. Even I have copy pasted it from Stack Overflow, and this is the code for saving file to external storage. Yeah, you can just copy paste it for now. Even I don't understand it fully. And here we have override this on completed callback. So here you can see we are display our input player, initialize it, save file to external storage, and hide our progress bar. In case of on error, we hide progress bar and just display our toast message. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.